Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Serum number 5 Flashing Lights in Pueen 71. I've started off with INK Peel Ease as my base coat, and here is Serum number 5 Flashing Lights. I've got a picture fixing to pop up, and this is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, so we're going to go in with one coat, and I do have on my base coat. And technically, for this polish to look like the previous photo, you're supposed to stop at one thin coat and no top coat. Well, you know me, I don't want to see no visible nail lines, so I just went ahead and did my coats. I think I ended up doing 3 here. It does not look anything like the picture. It is an older purchase, and it was one of those polishes I just had to have. You can go back and look at that swatch photo of what it should look like, and you can see it was eye-popping. So here is the manicure with no top coat. Here is Pueen 71, and I'll be using Nicole Diary in S09, my Conad stamper and beauty scraper today. So while I'm doing these stamps, I'm going to go ahead and talk about this polish a little bit that I had to have. When I did my video a couple of weeks ago with the Twinkle Lights from 90, Kimberly Holler and I got to talking about this polish here, and I remembered I had it. So it got me curious, and I decided, well, I'll go ahead and break it out. Now, after I did my manicure, I did do the research and pulled up that picture, and I was like, oh, so that's what I did wrong. So, you know, this polish might look a lot more like it's supposed to if I'd have just done the one thin coat and didn't do anything else to it. But for me, layers and layers and layers of polish is to help protect my nails. You know, and I just, if I don't have enough layers of polish on, I don't feel like I'm, you know, safe. So I might give this polish another try at a later date. We'll see. As many polishes I own, it's really hard to get back to trying something again. You know, with so many unused beauties in the collection, you know, I'm trying to work my way through them, and but I really would love to see and get the effect and try to get the camera and the lighting and everything just right so I can get a really good swatch photo. And that's why I did include the photo from Mandy's channel earlier up in the video. I just, you know, sometimes we get things and we're disappointed, and I have to say, right now I'm a little disappointed with this polish. I mean, it's still, you know, it's cool, but, you know, I've got a lot of other sparkly gray polishes I could be wearing. So we're going to have to give this one another try and see, you know, see what we can do with it. But, you know, you see things on Instagram or YouTube, and you're like, oh my God, look at that, and you've got to run out there and get it, and I'm just as guilty as the rest, maybe even more so. So that's how this polish ended up in my collection. It's been here for, I don't know, 4 or 5 years, and I'm just now using it. So we're going to pop back into the video and do some commentary. I am getting the excess hair up off of my skin with a piece of tape. Now this was a, you know, a pretty polish, and I don't know that yellow was it, but the idea behind this manicure is the base polish was supposed to look like the reflective lighting lines on like the road or whatever. And so I thought I would use, you know, like the yellow like you also see painted on streets, you know, and see how that went. So I got to say this was not my favorite manicure, but I didn't hate it. It's definitely not a favorite, but you know, I had paint on my nails, and when I got paint on my nails, I'm happy. And I do like the more open nails, not this one that I'm painting right now, but the ones that don't have very much yellow on them. You can see some sparkling goodness coming out from behind there. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So I want to thank Kimberly for reminding me of this polish and, you know, helping me remember that I had it. There's my swatch photo. So let me know what you think about this manicure. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.